what's up, y'all? It's Vlogmas Day. What? No. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know who that was. Ooh. Hey y'all, it's Justice back with a new video. I have to find like a cute intro, like y'all know how Pluto has one and Sky has one. I have to find one like that, but I'm thinking y'all. Look at these. Anyways, y'all, I'm at the red.
I stole Jabari's phone. Yeah. Vlogmas Day 16. Say hi, Jabari. What is this?
What is what? Don't worry about that.
This nigga got group chat cards. Never mind.
Actually, let me leave that group chat.
What y'all broke asses. But anyway.
Oh. Why would you?
In this video. You wanna come?
Yeah.
Y'all wanna be in the vlog?
No. No, don't come in.
It's for Vlogmas Day 16.
Right.
No.
You wanna be in the vlog? Why y'all being weird?
I don't do vlogs, bro. Well, you think you better than vlogs or something?
He could take your face out the
I don't give a fuck. I don't want to.
Okay, you gotta be rude.
I got you.
You don't.
You don't. Why y'all always choose violence? Just be like, nah, I'm cool.
Somebody's scared of you.
I want to tell you.
I'm surprised you didn't go through our backpacks when we were gone. What?
I start.
Wait, what did he say?
Don't put me in there, bro.
You're not in the vlog.
I will switch his vlog to you. Keep playing. She might be scared of you. I'm not.
I'm not scared of him. It's just like, no, you don't hit too hard. It's just, I'm tired of you torturing me. It gets to a point.
Yeah.
Why are you like, stay right there.
I'm not moving.
Why are you the way that you are?
What you playing?
I don't know. I'm just downloading bullshit.
Is that not Call of Duty? Oh.
Guys, I have a question.
Pissy ass.
No, what did Glow do?
Bro, what are you?
We left. They was being messy.
I'm mad now.
Okay, we're gonna come back to y'all once you're in a good mood.
It's Vlogmas Day 16.
The queen of rap, Big Sybil, she doesn't want to be on camera, but y'all know, y'all heard her.
Queen of rap.
You see her ass, yo, the oily ass hands, they messed up my camera. Not real, not.
Hey guys. You're welcome.
When I started going really fast, the beat change, ooh, that. Ooh. Hey y'all, so if y'all don't know, or maybe some of y'all do know, but my mama's birthday is on Thursday, and what I'm planning on doing is I'm making her a big card, and it's gonna have like some notes on it and stuff like that. Look, let me show y'all. Okay, so look, I already did some of it today, but I'm gonna decorate this, and yeah, so that's what we're finna do. I'm finna watch some TV, do this, and I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. Okay, y'all, I'm finally done it already. See? Isn't that Gorgina, y'all? I can't wait to show her on Thursday. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that because that's gonna be so tea. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, click post notifications for whenever I post a new video, and subscribe. Like what? I love you so much.
Listen, I'm the baddest in the school, the baddest in the game. Excuse me, honey, but nobody's in my lane. When you was in New York, you was fucking a Yankee. I was fucking with bass, I was pitching a Frankie.